Hi everyone, this is Sandy Green with the Heart, and I have a mess of a haul to share with you guys. So I'm going to go ahead and get started. This is from a lot of different places. It's been all over my room, and I have so much stuff in here I can't even tell you that I need to put away. So I'm going to do this haul. I ordered from Close to My Heart. I don't order much from them unless I'm going to be ordering something Cricut related, basically. But they had a clearance closeout on some of their stamps and die cuts. So they had this one, which I loved, the cactus. And I want to say that none of this was more than $11. I think it was between $8 and $11, and you got the stamp set and the thin cuts, which is what they call their die cuts. So in this case, this particular one, I get the die cuts for the cactus, the flowers, and the heart. Super, super cute. And it's called Prickly Pear. So you get quite a few stamps. It's the first time I've ever gotten their thin cuts, but it already comes on a sheet like this. So for the price, I couldn't pass it up, so I'm gonna have to use it. And I love how it comes. Then I got this one, which is called You Are My Sunshine. My only sunshine. Okay, so again, you have that, which I really love the packaging on this. I think it's very well done. Everything is all contained and together. They've given you the magnet sheet, which is worth a little bit of money right then and there. It's like a sunflower type thing. So I'm loving that. And then this one, I was excited. These are like swans. And this one is called Thankful For You. So the thin cuts are for the swans and all the little pieces and stuff like that, the flowers and everything. So very, very cute. Excited. This one has a snap. The other ones don't have a snap. But also same sort of thing. It's got this all packaged just beautifully. So I think one of them was like $11 and the rest were around $8 and some change, which is a really, really good deal because you figure, I think the cuts were like $15 plus the stamp set. So normally it would be like between $25 and $35. So really good deal. So I got those. And then I bought these from Echo Park's website. They had an additional 25% off their sale category, which they had all their dies. And so I was able, well, you can't really see the size of the die, but it's pretty big. And it's a scallop 3D bow set. This one is scaled at 95%, so it's slightly bigger than what you see in this picture right here. And so I think it was on sale for, I think I was able to get it for, can't remember if it was 16 and then it was 25% off. It was not a bad price. It was definitely the cheapest I had seen everywhere and anywhere. And then I broke down and got this one. This is called Magic, and you can use these separately. You can use the castle by itself, which would be great, and then the words. And then I just really liked this cute little mini bow. I have no idea how it's going to cut and how it's going to look, but I have to take a look and see. So I did get that, and I was excited to get those. And then I got some things from Mama Elephant. They were having a sale. So I forget how much it was exactly, but these were items that were already on sale, and then we got an additional discount off. So I got this Me and My Yeti dies, which is kind of bizarre, but I'm hoping, I think, somewhere, I have the actual stamps that go with that. Hallelujah, I do. I have the stamps that go with it. Phew. I had bought the stamps, I think, on a Simon Says Stamps Steals and Deals. It was really cheap. So I picked that up. And so I was able to get the dies for reasonable, which is really great. I got this City Sidewalks. And I figured this could go with a lot of different stamp sets, if any kind of scene building that I wanted to do. And then I also got the dies that go with it. And then this dainty bow. So I was looking for a small bow because I cannot find my Martha Stewart bow punch that I have that makes a little bow. Don't know where it is. I've looked everywhere. I know I didn't destash it. I know I didn't get rid of it. It's around here somewhere. But I was able to pick up this dainty bow for really cheap. So I did get that. And then the Greening Farm is celebrating their birthday. So I got a few things. I did not get the dies that go with this. I think they were out, or maybe I just didn't want to shell out the money. I can't remember. But if you spent $45, you got a free stamp set. So I did make sure to do that. So I bought this because it's so adorable. I'm going to have to do something with that. And then this is like a planner stamp set, but it's just really cute. So I had to get that, and I did get the dies that go with it. Because why not? And then here is this stamp set that we got for free. This is the Happy Birthday to You, Anya. So I really wanted the free stamp set, which I got. And then before I open the Peachy Cheap. So I don't know if any of you guys have had this happen to you before, where you order something from that place in China, and when it comes, you're like, what the heck? I did not order this. So that happened to me. I had a what the crap. Do you feel like, did I get someone else's order? And I'll show you what I got. So I got this like snitch, or some kind of, it looks like the golden snitch from Harry Potter. I mean, I don't know what else to say about it, because that's really what it looks like, right? I mean, it's adorable. It's a bracelet. I'm pretty sure I didn't order this. It's really weird. So it came, and I was like, huh? What? So I don't know. It was just bizarre. That's not the first time that's happened to me, I guess is what I'm trying to say. It's happened to me before. Anyway, there's some things that I ordered. I did order this die. I saw Bona use this die. So I bought this lantern one because I have seen a couple people do cute things with the lanterns. Now I can't remember what they did, but I did buy it. This swan. I did get this swan. I got this unicorn, which a lot of people are using, this unicorn. I have no idea what this does. So I need to go onto my AliExpress site, and I need to look at the picture of what this thing does. I don't know. It came, I'm like, what is this? I don't even know. And then I got this die as well, which is really interesting because I also got another swan die, which I don't know where it is right now, but somewhere in here, that I just got recently. I was going to show you guys, but I don't know where it is. So, a lot of swans. The last thing I was going to show, like I said, is a totally random haul, mainly because I have to put this stuff away. And that is my Peachy Cheap order. So they had this Flourish, and it's funny because I just got Flourish at Tuesday morning for $2.99. They had this Flourish pack on sale on Peachy Cheap. I think it was $10.99, and it sold out very, very quickly. So they put another one up, and it was missing one of the items that were in the original pack, and they were still selling it for the same price. It's still a really good deal, in my opinion, but it was a little bit less. If you got that first one, you got lucky because you got more stuff in your deal. So it came with the Maggie Holmes Flourish, and at this point, I mean, I would tell people stock up, because it's all this stuff is going to end up being like open book and some of the other collections that she has where it's just going to be impossible to find. But yeah, so this is the 6x8. It came with that. It came with the ephemera pieces, which includes vellum, and there's all the pieces that you can see there. It came with that. And then it came with 18 super cute mini tassels, like just the cutest tassels you've ever seen in your life. And then it came with this embroidered patch. So I'm not sure what I do with this embroidered patch. I mean, I could sew it on. I don't know if it's a sew on or a ideal for scrapbook pages, cards, DIY projects. But I'm wondering if it's a patch. Is it sticky? Could you sew it on something? Does it go? I don't really know. It's an embroidered patch. I'm going to have to figure it out. But that came also. And that is my random haul. So I know you can see a little peek of a future project. Thank you for watching. This is Cindy the Crane with the Heart.